Hey, this is Micah Buzan, and this is a doodle. This is a new thing I'm going to be doing where I upload videos of me making random doodles. And sometimes I'll talk into this microphone, and other times I'll just have my music playing. And these doodles are basically pretty random, weird stuff, and I just draw one line after the other. No idea what's gonna happen. Kind of like talking right now. I don't really know what word is gonna follow the next, but it just happens. That's just how life is. It's continually revealing itself one moment after another, and there's really nothing you can do about it. But drawing is like you can kind of control the moment with images, and then the moment's frozen as a solid picture that represents all these other moments that were made up of your hand moving around. And so yeah, this is a new thing I'm doing where I'm gonna be making videos like every week, and sometimes I'll post videos of me drawing animation or just whatever. And I'm pretty influenced by science fiction, certain anime, and just art that tends to be a little more surreal. And I'll have a playlist on my channel for all of these types of videos. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and if you have any ideas for stuff you'd like me to draw, then let me know. I might not draw it, but I also might draw it. But usually I just draw whatever I feel like. Alright, see ya.